So Chelsea in phase 1 with Maresca, 1. Super duper scary scintillating Arteta in phase 5 with a dog and some lemons, 1. Again, another shit show, Jez. Make sure you sub to Jez's channel, Arsenal History and More. The link will be in the title. And yeah, our captain came back and started hiding for 45 minutes, tried to get on the ball in the second half, set the goal up. Nice cross, about all he did in the game, if I'm honest. Declan Rice, another stinker. Both of them shouldn't have been on the pitch in the first place. But again, that goes all the way back to our recruitment issue in the summer.
Yep.
Yeah, and he didn't fancy Jorginho, the controlling midfielder. Didn't fancy Ethan, so he brought on the fake Brazilian, who did absolutely nothing again. And we got absolutely walked around the park by Casado today. What a player he is. Yeah, Pedro Neto as well. Who knew? We bought the wrong Neto on loan.
Yeah.
What did you make of that, mate?
Well, it's what I expected, Lee. To be honest, I didn't expect anything more. I won't lie. This man's dusted. He once again. There was one point in the game. The camera's on him. He's talking to the AirPod, and he's talking to the set piece coach, and they look fucking clueless. They know what's going on. And this is our problem we have now, because we've caused it. Well, we haven't, not you and me, but they've caused it by their lack of buying into this squad. And I'm thank God Edu's going. But, God, who's going to replace him? Rosecki? I don't know. What's going on here? It's an absolute shit shambles show. And, yeah, basically, we got away with it. We walked out of a point. Not good enough. It was an open game. Chelsea looked pretty decent. Arsenal looked decent. Partey for me was Arsenal's player of the game, man of the match for me. Odegaard, yeah, wasteful, disappeared again.
First half, me, Matty, and Ola were watching him in the first half. Yeah, and I said, just watch him for 3 or 4 minutes straight. Yeah, I said, where the referee is where he should be. Yeah, he was hiding over on the right wing. He was nearly touching Bukayo Saka. He was that close to him. Yeah, and we got the ball over the other side. It's like, mate, you're supposed to be going into the centre circle where the ref is to get the ball, turn and spin. Yeah, but no, he's hanging out. There was an instance in that second half, I think it was the Trossard miss. And he looked over to the bench and said, what am I supposed to do? What do you want me to do? To the boss, to the gaffer. What do you mean? You're the captain, mate. Find a solution.
Yeah, the man in charge. There was also a point that in the first half there, Lee, where Chelsea had a chance, and if it hadn't been for Martinelli there, then they may have scored. What the hell is Martinelli doing playing at left back? Where was our left back in Timber? Where was Gabriel? Because Chelsea walked in the box, he had the header, and Martinelli basically defended as the best he can do. Right, and the guy headed it over the bar. What is going on with this defense that we fixed? This defense that we fixed, Lee. What? Where is Timber? Where is Gabriel?
Mate, their goal, their equaliser. Yeah, Marino's just come on the pitch.
Yeah.
Who I told everyone was crap, and I think people are starting to see it. Neto gets the ball from Enzo, who had just come on the pitch. 29 and Marino just let him run straight through the middle of them. Timber spotted the danger, and Gabriel, I don't know why these defenders do that. They drop their leg on the floor and fall backwards. So they're making themselves half the size straight away. Great strike. Yeah, but why is he not going out and engaging? Yeah, Timber's trying to get there, but Timber's going from left back to there. Yeah, yes, I know he had Jackson, 29. Gabriel. Yep, go out and press him. Yeah, he might have got a block on that. The keeper had no chance. What a goal. That goal was quality. I can't lie. But again, a player that I wanted at Arsenal.
Yeah, it was quality.
And he showed all of our wingers' levels today. He showed all of theirs wingers' levels today as well.
We're now 9 points behind Liverpool.
It's over, mate. It's done.
No, well, yeah, but you can't say that, Lee. You're being negative. And you can't upset. I watched, like, after the game, I flicked through a few streams. Different people, talking about the game, and most people that I've seen, well, apart from one, Aaron, there was another channel we know, Soph, fucking won the hybrid twat. It wasn't that bad.
What were they watching?
Fucking bad. Well, sorry, it was bad because we walked out of there with a 1-1 draw.
What were they watching?
Well, they're doing it. They're hyping it up, mate.
Yeah, Kenny, sorry, Jez even. They've convinced themselves that Odegaard coming back is going to be the creativity that we've missed and we're going to go on and this and that. Yeah, he got an assist. Go and watch the whole game back if you get a chance, yeah? And just watch him for 90 minutes. He was fucking awful, mate. Martinelli, awful, but scored. Saka, a non-invest, by the way. Cucurella pocketed him today. Yeah, Declan Rice, awful. Yeah, you're right about Partey. He was the best of a whole bad bunch. Yeah, you've said it. I've said it. Kenny said it. Yeah, I thought they were all shit. I can't lie. But at the same time, yeah, you can maybe say with Partey, he was a one-man midfield at times because Declan Rice shouldn't have been on the pitch. He's got a broken flipping toe, mate. Kenny said before kickoff, they were watching him train, yeah, in the warm-up. And he weren't shooting. Yeah, and then when he did take shots, yeah, because he was doing more passing work than shooting work, he was doing it with the instep, not with his boot, with his laces. He shouldn't have been on the pitch, mate. Yeah, apparently Arteta said after the game that Saka and Rice's injuries don't look good. I don't believe anything the guy says. He don't want them to go on an international break.
He said before the game, in the pre-match interview before that game, the questioner said to him, "Can you update us about Rice's broken toe?" He said, "Oh, it's nothing big."
Well, he said tonight apparently. Yeah, I've not seen it, but I see somebody put the quote out, so I don't know if it's true, but it was a big account. Yeah, saying that Saka and Rice's injuries don't look good. So which one is it?
Yeah, exactly. The man's a liar. Fuck's sake, man.
Jez, he shouldn't be here, mate. He's had 5 years, 5 billion excuses. He's had all the PR in the world. Yeah, I squeezed a lemon on stream earlier. I said, this is a lemon, guys. This is a knife. This is a ball, guys. And I squeezed the lemon. You need to get the juice, guys. Yeah, fuck off, man. We don't see fucking Real Madrid doing this shit, Chelsea doing this shit, Man United doing this crap. Like, we didn't see Man City doing this crap. Is Pep going in the dressing room saying, here you go, we'll all have a knife and a lemon and a bowl and squeeze the juice in. We'll all pour it in a big bowl because that's teamwork, guys. Piss off. How many more times, Jez? And we're getting worse. Yeah, that game for me today was worse than the game against Inter.
Oh, it was. It was shocking. It was poor. But I said it. I did a watch long on Wolfie's channel, the Chelsea guy. He invited me on there because it's Arsenal Chelsea. Good, well done. Thank you very much. But at the end of the day, you know, they would say the Chelsea fans on there were saying their thing. I was the only Arsenal fan there. But I had to say to them, we're shit. We are absolute dog shit. And they're not much better. Let's put it right. But at the end of the day, yeah, they should have won that game 3-1. Yeah, okay. Havertz's goal was, I called it straight away. He's offside. He's offside. Shoulder over the line. It's obvious, right?
I don't know why that took so long, by the way, because you could see with the white line on the 18-yard box, he was offside. Why did it take 3 minutes?
Why doesn't the linesman call it? What's their job nowadays? For fuck's sake, they're paid 100 grand a year. They're referees. They're not linesmen. They're referees. Yeah. Why don't they call it straight away? Offside. If they're not going to be allowed to do their job, then why employ them? Waste of money. If you're going to purely rely, yeah, on them, all them doing is corner, goal kick, ball in, out of play. It's a waste of money. Waste of time.
Mate, we're done, mate. We're 9 points behind. This manager's got no proven track record of catching a deficit up. However, he has got a proven track record of bottling a lead. He bottled a top 4 lead. He's bottled 2 title leads.
Yeah, but we're back.
Yeah, and we're 9 points. We're 9 points now.
4. We're in the top 4.
Yeah, for now, Jez, we're 4 points off 13th.
I'm just saying, Lee. That's what the big channels want. Oh, it's top 4. It's top 4.
That's exactly what that's what the club want, Jez. That's what the club want. And it's not just the fans. The club want that. Yeah, and this is why I get the ump with it. These men have spent 5 years finessing, lying, and doing gimmicks, yeah, right, to make out they're the best of best gooners, toppest of top gooners, and that, yeah. And it's jarring, but you know what? Yeah, it's going to get worse. Yeah, we might go and beat Forest. We're getting slapped by Sporting. We ain't beating Sporting Lisbon away, mate. Yeah, if Declan Rice has broken his toe, which apparently he has, yeah, He shouldn't be on the pitch.
No, he shouldn't be.
Because he can't give 100. So why didn't you play Jorginho? Why didn't you play Ethan? When we needed some creativity and a bit of a spark, yeah, when it was 1-1, he brings on fucking Jesus. Are you mad? What did he do?
I fucking, sorry to keep swearing. I'm that wound up about it, and I've got to de-wound myself. I'm going out in a bit, but, you know, I said, bring on enquiries. 65 minutes, bring on enquiries. He will give you 110%. He's a young lad who wants to prove himself, but this manager is such an arsewipe, he can't see it. It's a disgrace, man. It's a disgrace. Because if I have that young man, right, enquiries, I'll be saying in January to his agent or whoever.
No, if he's watching this, mate, get out while you can. I say it every day. Get out while you can, mate. There was a fella in my chat today, he put a super chat in. His boy's in the Arsenal Academy. Yeah, he put a super chat in my comments, yeah. I'm assuming it's true. Like, he was an older head. Yeah, he put a comment and said, yeah, it's the same in the academy, mate. They don't want to win. They're just happy to be there, half of them. Because they don't want to win. There goes, it's infested all the way through academy level as well at Arsenal. Because they don't want to win. They're just happy to be there, Jez. Yeah, let's be real with it, yeah. These men are nicking a fucking living. Yeah, they're nicking an absolute king's ransom, mate, yeah. Right, and they're walking around the pitch like they couldn't give a shit. Then you've got players at Chelsea. Yeah, yes, they're getting paid a lot of money, but they're nowhere near the level of money we're getting paid every week for our players. I think they've got a wage cap. Yeah, like we should have signed Caicedo. We should have signed him and Rice.
Yeah.
But no, we didn't. How can they find loophole? Yeah, and our ownership sits on its hands. Yeah, we needed a striker, mate. We bought Marino. Yeah, we bought Sterling we got him on loan from them. Get out of here. Just go and have a nice evening. Forget Arsenal, mate. Check your channel out. What you got coming up, mate?
Well, I'll be seeing you tomorrow at whatever time we're doing it.
5 p.m.
5 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, evening, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, we'll go from there, man. And yeah, I'm just dusted with this club. I'm seriously. The wife said to me, she had a bit of a cold shoulder this morning because she thought I'd forgotten about today. And I said, what are you on about? And she was like, well, what are you watching the football today? I said, yeah, of course I am. And she didn't know. And I said, yeah. I said, I've got to get my Arsenal fix. And she went, the other day you said you couldn't stand them. I said, well, I can't actually. But there you go. I'm fucking done with them, man. I honestly, I can't wait to get away for a couple of weeks and get away from this bullshit, man, in December. I can't wait because I'm fed up with it, man. It's around me all the time. It's like a fog, you know, and it does my head in. And anyway, there you go, bro.
Go and enjoy your dinner, mate. Bless that wifey as well. And make sure you sub to Arsenal History and More. Cronky out. So I'm going live right now. Halftime Hooks is jumping on. Yomi's jumping on, Chelsea fan. And yeah, we're out. Cronky out.
Arteta out, you prick.